In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in if you forgot your Bitwarden master password. If your mind has gone blank on your master password, don't worry. Bitwarden can't email you your password, but it can send you the hint you set up, and that's often enough to jog your memory and get you back in. Start by opening your browser and searching for Bitwarden. Click the official Bitwarden result to go to the website, then choose Login. This takes you to the Bitwarden Vault login. If your email is already filled in, go ahead and click Continue. You'll land on the Welcome Back screen. Here, select Login with Master Password. Since you're stuck, look for the link that says Get Master Password Hint and click it. You'll be brought to the hint page. Click Request Hint. Bitwarden will immediately send an email with your hint to the address on your account. Give it a few seconds, then open your email inbox. In this example, we're using Gmail. In your inbox, look for a message with the subject Your Master Password Hint. If you don't see it right away, wait a moment and check other tabs, like Updates or Promotions. Open the message and read the hint you previously set. Take a second to think about what you were reminding yourself of. Maybe it's a phrase you use, a pattern you add to the end, or a specific capitalization or symbol you always include. The hint won't reveal the password, but it should point you toward the exact wording you chose. Now switch back to your Bitwarden login tab. Click Continue again if prompted to return to the password screen. In the password field, carefully type your master password using the hint to guide you. Pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Master passwords are case sensitive, and even a small difference will cause an error. When you're confident, click Log In with master password. If it works, you're back in your vault. Take a breath, crisis averted. If you needed that hint to remember the phrase, consider mentally reinforcing it now so it sticks. If the email took a moment to appear, remember that slight delays are normal, and be sure your inbox is able to receive Bitwarden messages in the future. And if the hint didn't click right away, try the most likely variations you commonly use, but type slowly and double-check each character before you submit. That's it. You searched for Bitwarden, opened the official site, requested your master password hint, checked your email, and used that hint to successfully log back in.